Hey guys, John here with Costa Rica Escapes and Explorations. I'm at a local brewery today called Treintaycinco, which means 35 in Spanish. We're gonna go inside and learn about their beers and also a little bit of history about this very cool and unique Costa Rican company.
Well, hello, welcome to Treintaycinco. We opened this brewery 7 years ago. We sold our first beer, and basically the reason why we started the brewery is that we didn't find around the beers that we like to drink. So we started making them, and that's how this happened. Everybody tells that we were insane trying to open a brewery here in Costa Rica with the big beer monopoly we have, and that's where our name comes from. 35 in Costa Rican or in this country is the policial code for when you find a lunatic, a madman on the street. So since everybody was telling us, you guys are mad, you cannot do a brewing here, we decided to institutionalize that madness, and we call it 35, Treintaycinco, and we use a goat because in Spanish, when somebody's really crazy, you say you're mad as a goat. So our logo is a three-headed, five-legged goat. Well, the brewing process is basically taking the sugars out of the barley by brewing it in a certain temperature water. It's a 20-barrel system where we brew everything we bottle for distribution. So basically, this is our hot liquor tank, the mash tun, where we brew the grain. Then we pass that to the blue kettle, get it to a boil, and we add the hops and everything else we need to get in there. After that, we will cool down the wort, send it to the fermenter with the yeast, and that's where the magic happens. The yeast will take those sugars and convert them in alcohol and CO2. In order to have a good fermentation, the fermenters are jacketed, so we can manipulate the temperature of fermentation. Once we have final gravity, meaning that the yeast eat all the sugar that was in there, it's time to cool down the beer, so all the sediments will go to the foam. We dump that, and then we send the beer to the dry tanks where we add the CO2 to carbonate the beer. Once that is done, and we measure that we have the right amount of CO2 volume, we will send the beer to this bottling line where we bottle the beer and then storage in the cold room. And from there, the distribution will take care of taking that beer to all the Costa Rican market. We've been in the market for 7 years already. We have around 500 accounts in Costa Rica, and we are happy and proud to export our product to Brazil, Panama, and Russia. We have get in the past years something around 75 international medals in beer contests. That make us proud because it seems like there's people out there that value the work we're doing here. Well, it's been a pleasure having you guys here at home at Treintaycinco Fábrica de Cervezas. Hopefully you guys come to Costa Rica and we could share a pint together. So, salud and pura vida.